Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered what product managers actually do inside tech companies, or you have heard titles like PM, project manager, or product owner and felt confused, this video will make everything clear. By the end of this session, you will understand what product management really is, the role of a product manager in a tech company, the difference between PM, project manager, and product owner, and the core responsibilities of a PM in a simple and practical way. Let's break it down step by step. Let's start with the most important question. What is product management? At its simplest, product management is the process of building the right product for the right users and making sure it creates value for both the user and the business. A product manager is responsible for answering three key questions. What should we build? Why should we build it? How do we know it is successful? A product manager sits between business, technology, and users. You can think of a product manager as the mini CEO of the product, not because they manage people, but because they own the vision and direction of the product. However, there is something important to understand. A product manager does not write all the code, does not design all the user interfaces, and does not directly manage developers like a boss. Instead, they connect everything together. They make sure engineers build the right thing, designers solve the right problem, and business goals are aligned with user needs. In short, product management is about solving the right problem in the best possible way for both users and the business. Now, let's look at what a product manager actually does in a real tech company like Google, Amazon, or a startup. A product manager typically works with four main groups. First, users or customers. Product managers constantly try to understand what users need, what problems they face, and what frustrates them. They use methods like user interviews, analytics, feedback, and market research. Second, the engineering team. Product managers work closely with developers to define what needs to be built, prioritize features, and clarify requirements. They do not tell engineers how to code. They focus on what and why, not how. Third, the design team. Product managers collaborate with designers to shape the user experience, improve usability, and ensure the product is intuitive. For example, a product manager might say that users are dropping off during sign-up and suggest simplifying the flow, then designers explore solutions. Fourth, business stakeholders. Product managers align with marketing teams, sales teams, and executives. They ensure the product makes money, supports company strategy, and fits market demand. So, what does a product manager do daily? A typical day may include reviewing user feedback, analyzing product metrics, writing product requirements, prioritizing features, meeting with engineers and designers, and making trade-off decisions. In simple terms, a product manager is constantly deciding what gets built next and why it matters. Now let's clear one of the biggest confusions in tech roles. These three roles sound similar, but they are very different. A product manager focuses on product vision, user problems, and business outcomes. They answer what should we build and why should we build it. They care about building the right thing. A project manager focuses on planning execution, managing deadlines, handling resources, and tracking delivery. They answer questions like, are we on time, are we on budget, and are tasks completed? They care about delivering the work properly. A product owner is common in Agile or Scrum teams. They focus on managing the product backlog, writing user stories, and prioritizing tasks for the development team. They act as a bridge between the product manager and the development team. They answer what the team should work on in the next sprint. They care about building features in the right order. Here is a simple comparison. Product manager focuses on strategy, meaning what and why. Product owner focuses on execution backlog, meaning what comes next in detail. Project manager focuses on delivery, meaning when and how fast. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine we are building a food delivery app. The product manager says that users want faster checkout and suggests improving the ordering flow. The product owner breaks this down into tasks, such as adding one-click reorder and simplifying the payment step. The project manager sets the timeline and says this must be delivered in 3 weeks. Now let's simplify the core responsibilities of a product manager into 5 key areas. First, defining the problem. A product manager does not start with solutions. They start with problems such as users not completing sign-up, low retention after 7 days, or users not understanding a feature. Strong product managers focus deeply on problem clarity. Second, validating ideas. Before building anything, product managers ask if the problem is real, how big it is, and whether it matters to users. They use surveys, data analysis, A/B testing, and user interviews. Third, defining the product roadmap. Product managers decide what features to build next, what to delay, and what to ignore, while aligning everything with business goals. This is where prioritization happens. Fourth, working with teams to build. Product managers collaborate with engineers, designers, and quality assurance teams. They ensure requirements are clear, trade-offs are understood, and scope is realistic. Fifth, measuring success. After launch, product managers track metrics such as user engagement, retention, revenue, and conversion rates. Shipping a feature is not success. Success means the problem is actually solved. To wrap it up, product management is about understanding users, defining problems, prioritizing solutions, working with teams, and measuring impact. A great product manager is not someone who only manages tasks. A great product manager brings clarity in chaos, turns problems into solutions, and ensures the product actually creates value. If you found this helpful, the next video will go deeper into how to become a product manager with no experience. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.